Kohl'S app, super popular shopping app. You can see in US in top charts, especially on holidays. Yeah, you can just get some nice discounts, get online shopping deals, discounts, and rewards with the Kohl'S app. From fashion to beauty, home furniture, clothes and shoes, electronics, and more. You can access amazing shopping deals and manage your Kohl'S account on the go. Discounts, coupons, and rewards make the Kohl'S app your go-to online shopping tool. It's packed with features to help you find the best deals, manage payments easily, and browse online and in store. So Kohl'S Wallet, shop online or in store, Kohl'S Pay, shopping deals on everything, Kohl'S Cash reminders with free shipping, amazing shopping deals, and free store pickups. The Kohl'S app helps you shop with this. So you can find a lot of deals. Great quality app. You can see almost million ratings and 4.8 average rating. That's super impressive. So you can just receive alerts. You can get a lot of deals. For example, you can just tap on it. There are a lot of discounts. You can just select it, add to cart. And then you can just see it in the card. Gift message, sign in. Obviously, this is just depends where you are located. Preferred pickup store, so you can just find it's kind of like Shane, but this is US app. And then you can just create an account easily. You just go and create an account in here, and that's for every $50 spent you can earn $10. 25% off my 525. Ends December 24, so yeah, it's super fast. Codes, all kinds of categories, deals. Lists, and that's kind of the idea.